The Lexus ES self-charging hybrid is defined by imaginative technology. And now, it comes with optional digital side view monitors to make driving even safer and more relaxed. With the aid of rear-view cameras, you can see more, simply and naturally. When indicating, your angle of vision automatically widens, reducing blind spots. With helpful graphics, maneuvering intuitively becomes easier and safer. In rain, your view is clearer than with conventional wing mirrors. When on the motorway, the system can help you judge when it's safe to overtake. And at night, visibility is better, with less glare. The Lexus ES. This is Lexus.